accurate.
So individual attention, along just willingness to help, everything was positive. I found the camaraderie and support from Jamie and the crew around us. Really, everybody comes together and shares no matter what's coming or going related to the build through the process of the weekend. It was it was a long, rewarding process that at the end I wound up with a beautiful piece of art that's totally functional. You know, probably one of the most satisfying sort of hands-on things I've ever done.
It was an amazing experience. It was just so satisfying, so hard for 9-hour days, and to have something that looked like something I would maybe like see and be like, oh, that's a sweet bow, I'd like that bow, and to have made it myself that's pretty amazing.